back with another video. I've been gone for a while now, but I'm back. So today I'm gonna be trying some snacks with you guys, and also I'm gonna be telling you where I'm headed and where I've been. So we're gonna start off with the ranch popcorn. I never had none of these things, and I'm gonna try them with you guys. So we're gonna start off with this popcorn. It looks seasoned. Look at that. Look at this green seasoning on it. See that? Look. This ranch popcorn. It tastes pretty good. I rate that an 8. Pretty good. Try another one. Next thing I'm gonna try Hershey Milkalicious. Hershey's Milkalicious. We're used to the dark chocolate, you guys, but we're gonna try the Milkalicious. Milkalicious. Milk chocolate. Instead of the dark. Yeah, look. Come in pieces. I'm gonna break off a piece. Whoop. I don't eat milk chocolate like that. But I give it an 8.5. I don't eat Hershey's like that. But that Milkalicious, it's milky and it's good. I give that an 8.5. Next, we're gonna try the dark chocolate Hershey triple chocolate cake. I'm gonna try that. Now that's the Hershey milk chocolate triple chocolate cake. That's the dark. That's too much chocolate. And I love dark chocolate. I love chocolate cake. But that Hershey with that chocolate, it's too much chocolate. I give that a 4 or a 5. Yeah, it's too much chocolate. That ain't what it is. Next, like I said, I give that a 4 or 5. Next, we're gonna try the Oreo muffin. Now that's gonna be chocolate. Look how it looks. Oh my God. I don't know the difference between the Hershey chocolate cake, the triple chocolate cake, and this Oreo, because you would think that the Oreo cookie cake would be more chocolatey, plus chocolatey, whatever. It'd be more chocolatey. And then the milk chocolate, but it tastes better. I don't know. It's crazy, but I don't know. it tastes great. I give this a 9.5. It tastes really good. I give that a 10. I give that a 10. Next, we're gonna try the Reese's cupcake. Reese's peanut butter cupcake. Crazy, but yeah, we're gonna try the Reese's peanut butter cupcake. Yeah, look. Got the peanut butter. Tastes like Reese's. I rate that a 9. I rate it a 9. It's good, but not better than the Oreo cupcake. Next, we're gonna try the potato chip Reese's cup. Yes, the potato chip Reese's cup. Just a regular old, just bite into it and see what it is. The potato chip right there. It's crunchy. Taste the potato chip. I get that 9.5. I get that a 9.5. I taste the ruffled potato chip and the chocolate and the peanut butter. It tastes good. That's something to think about. I'm gonna try some Ruffles, some chocolate and peanut butter. I'm gonna try that. Next, we're gonna eat the Twix cookie dough. We're gonna try that. But I rate that Reese's potato chip, I rate that a 9.5. The cookie dough. See the cookie dough right there? The cookie dough. Cookie dough and the cookie dough. That tastes good. I get that a 9. I rate that a 9. Reese's cookie dough. I got a lot of snacks, you guys. Only got 2 more to go. Now these is some Dots watermelon kind. We used to the Dots with the different colors in it and stuff. I'm finna see how this watermelon, how this watermelon tastes. Hold on, I don't want to break my nails. Yeah, I don't want to break my nails. I like my nails. See my nails? That's my daughter, Nevaeh. Say hey.
Hey everybody! I'm here doing a video. I'm just popping in. This stuff look good.
Okay.
What's this one?
Watermelon
Yeah, I
dots.
don't even eat that.
She don't eat candy. She never been a candy person.
Let me see.
Okay. I don't like I don't like them. Something I wouldn't. I get at a 1. I don't like it. The watermelon. How you think? What do you think?
I don't like stuff that stick on my teeth.
Me neither, but the taste.
I give it a 4.
I
don't
give it
eat
a 1.
dots.
I eat dots, but I eat the different kind.
I don't eat dots at all.
She don't eat candy at all. She'll eat chocolate, don't get me wrong, but she won't eat no candy. She never did that. So,
Go ahead.
I'm gonna try this Monster Kiwi Strawberry. Never tried it. Okay. This tastes really good, you guys. I give this a 10. I could drink this with my dinner, but I won't be going to sleep soon. Yeah, I won't be going to sleep soon. This gonna keep me up. Yeah, guys, that's it for my snacks. But let me tell you guys where I've been. Months ago, I caught a cold from my best friend because she don't know how to cover her mouth. And it was a bad cold. She had a bad cough. And she didn't let me know she was sick and feeling like she was feeling. But she came to my house and then she started coughing. Then I caught a cold because my immune system is weak. You know, because I got a new kidney. So my immune system is weak. And she knew that. But she didn't care. But yeah, I caught her cold. Her bad cold. And by me having asthma and bronchitis, my cold went straight to my lungs. And also got in my chest and my throat. So hers was in her throat too. So it was a viral infection. She had a viral infection and still didn't care. She didn't go to the doctor or nothing really. But yeah, she caught the cold. I caught her cold. And it was a bad cold. So I just cough. I couldn't sleep, couldn't nothing. It was terrible. Hold on, you guys. So yeah, I end up catching her cold. And I was coughing. And couldn't stop. I couldn't sleep. Couldn't eat nothing. Had a fever. It was terrible. I had that cold for like 3 weeks. So, I gets better. That's why I wasn't posting, you know, because I was coughing. Y'all don't want to see me coughing and trying to make a video. That's terrible. I wasn't feeling good. So, end up 2 weeks later, I feel better a week. Then I caught her other cold. And also, I don't think the cold ever went away. I don't think it ever went nowhere. She claims that she was feeling better, but I don't think so. Because I was feeling better. She ended up coming up here again to have some coffee. So I called her cold again. She was still coughing. She wasn't coughing as much, but she was coughing. I said, girl, you still sick. And she was like, girl, it's something in my throat. It feel like something in my throat. I'm like, you still got a cold. You gotta go. I pointed to the door and told her to go. Because I can't do this stuff. I can't do this. I can't have myself running around here coughing and choking and can't breathe and can't sleep. I couldn't do that. You know, I got tired. She knew I was tired. So I had that cold for 3 months the second time I caught it. I had it for 3 months. It was terrible. I went to the doctor. They said I just had a cough. It was probably my allergies. But it ended up, I had to go back to the doctor a couple of days later. They gave me some medicine and to see if it was going to work. And if it got better, I had to go back to the doctor. And I told them I wasn't feeling no better. So they gave me some more medicine. And that eventually worked after 2 weeks. Yes, 2 weeks. It was crazy. So actually, when I catch a cold, it goes straight to my lungs because I got asthma and bronchitis. I don't know what a head cold feel like. I never knew what a head cold feel like. They say it's like a sinus headache. I know what a sinus headache is because my face hurt and I be congested. So they said that's how I feel. So I kind of know what a head cold feel like now. So, but I don't know how a head cold feel because my colds go straight to my lungs. But anyway, I haven't been up to par. You know, I've been having trouble and problems with my kidneys hurting and everything. I've been going back and forth doing labs and, you know, back and forth to do the visits with the kidney transplant doctor. But other than that, I said I had to get back to doing my videos. And what am I going to do? So I've been trying to figure out what I'm going to do. I don't know what I'm going to do and how I'm going to do it, but I'm going to do it. I'm going to do something. If I have to go back to do shorts videos, reacting to those, I'm going to do something. Because I've been gone too long for you guys. You know, I'm trying to be there, you know, but I don't have the spunk to get up and do that. You know, my health be off and on, off and on, off and on. But I'm going to give you guys what I got. Whatever I get and whatever I got, I'm going to give it to you guys. So, with that being said, I'll see you guys later in another video. And I would like for you guys to like, comment, and subscribe and share my videos. If you like it, if you like those snacks, put down in the comment section. Put down in the comment section what you guys liked and what do you guys eat. Do you eat that or not? You wouldn't try it or wouldn't, you know? Comment. So I'll see you guys in another video. Peace. Love you guys. Bye. Have a good day.